Send in those goddamn clowns. We could use a few laughs. Old school Barnum and Bailey, bombastic buffoons, clowns. Circus Vargas, oh geez, grease-painted grotesques, clowns. Swaggering, stumbling, lumbering clowns. Huge shoes, flapping, horns, honking, arms, flailing clowns. A dozen of them, tumbling out of a tiny car, zany, fake, frolic. Chaos! Bedlam! Leering, malicious-looking midget in baby bonnet, brandishing, exploding cigar, slap, happy clown mama repels carriage, careening about all stripes and polka dots. Enormous balloon memories sway from side to side. Bustle, but follows, insanely bouncing up and down. The monstrosity. Under the big top fortissimo, the band plays on and on and on. Circus music in overdrive. Unending crescendo assaults the ears. Mommy, make it stop. Clowns to the left of me. Clowns to the right of me. Ah, look at them. Garish, candy-colored, creepy fright wigs, mismatched ragtag, ill-fitting clothes. Oh, no! Watch your back! Melancholy sad sacks looking like homeless hobos, up to no good. Galumphing, wild and woolly, filthy, demonic, red-nosed bastards. Whoopee! Mayhem! Bully bozos on the attack. Thwack, whack with a rubber bat. Damn, they're fast. Splat with the spritzer. Ha-ha, gotcha, right in the kisser. Oh yeah, here it comes. The grand finale, a swift kick in the ass. Clowns. Knock 'em, sock 'em down, and they get right back up again, ready for another round. And there's no real gaiety to any of it. Ah, what the hell. Crank up the crazy. Send in the big guns. The B-movie psychotic killer clowns, zombie clowns, politico clowns, corporate clowns, odious rodeo clowns. This ain't no kid party. I know the score. Let's have some fun. Bring 'em on. Clowns do not scare me anymore. And that piece was published in... thank you. You can hold your applause to the end. I'm good. That was published in that Beatnik, Sparring with Beatnik Ghosts. And yeah, that was cool. It's always nice to have somebody who, you know, puts you in a publication of some sort. I thank everybody who's done that for anybody, and it's important. Peering into the darkness, I saw him. Shabby old stage magician, all frayed around the edges. Now you see him, soon you won't. Lost in haunted shadows, becoming a spectre. Nary a trick up his ragged sleeve. Disheveled, moth-eaten, he stumbles around in black threadbare cape, the faded red satin lining falling apart at the seams. Out of style, pointy Italian shoes, been years since they had a shine. Worn the hell out. Time has not been kind. The show is over. Somebody tell him. Long ago the rabbit hippity hopped out of the tattered top hat. Bye-bye, bunny. Never to be conjured up again. The lovely white doves flew the coop. gone. The elegant debonair flair, unable to take a proper bow, body stiff and stooped, gone. The flawless trickery, once you saw it, now you don't. Poof, up in a puff of smoke, astounding illusions, gone. Vanished into thin air, along with most of his teeth, impeccable posture, improbable jet black hair, the meticulous pencil-thin moustache. All gone. Is a shambling testament to the fact that nothing lasts forever. So sad. The old razzle-dazzle skedaddled. No more polished patter, lingo making us believe in magic. Gone. Never to grace the stage again, beautiful assistants. Dematerialized, levitated, sawed in half, misdirections, poised all sexy. High heels, sequins, pasted on beauty pageant smiles. Some were lovers, two were wives, all gone, oh, to God knows where. Gone. The fun of being fooled. Suspended disbelief, astonished gasps. Never to be heard again. How did he do that? No, borrowed time has not been kind. The master of deception, gone. Hands no longer quicker than the eye, too unsteady to wave a magic wand. An embarrassment. Senile old sorcerer. Disoriented, confused mind, forgetting to say abracadabra. Apologies, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, boys and girls. Dry your tears. No more magical mystery tour. Disappeared into smoke and mirrors. Hocus pocus. Worn-out wizard gave up the ghost. Final disappearing act. Gone. No mas. No more to-dies. Oohs or ahs. Move along, folks. Nothing more to see. Show's over. The magic is gone. Fini. Do not bother to clap. Tinkerbell is dead.
It is funny.
My parental guidance. Advice from my mother. The best is yet to come. Don't give your art away for free. People won't respect you. Advice from my father. Don't be a flash in the pan. Don't live in cheap hotels. Brush your teeth every day. Don't use an alias. My apologies to my parents. Are we having fun yet?
Yeah.
I wasn't.
Good.
Tinkerbell died.
Yeah, well, you know, it's
Time to grow up.
time. Thank you. I want to invite all my friends to come on a journey with me. Under chemtrail skies, going where no one has gone before, 21st century road trip. Into the matrix, beyond brave new world. 96 bottles of beer on the wall, 96 bottles of beer. Are we there yet? Peekaboo, they see you, where you at? Track, trace, track, trace, the license plates. Just rolling along, singing a song. You say privacy, and I say privacy. Privacy, privacy. Oh, let's call the whole thing off. I phone, you phone, we all phone, yakety-yak, Snapchat. Oh, I'm all a Twitter. Tweet, blog, texting, Yahoo! Here's my email. Let's get together sometime. NSA cybersecurity spies with little techno eyes. Doobie, digital do. George Orwell rolls over and over in his grave, unchecked, out of balance, and land of free, home of the brave, wrong place, wrong time, here, there, everywhere. You may be committing a nameless crime. Peekaboo, they see you. Wow, put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Smile and wave. Look at me, look. in the cloud. Wonderful me, look, my selfie. Look, living the dream within the dream on Facebook. Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those peepers? Metadata, where did you get those googly eyes? Can't you hear Snowden's whistle blowing? Everyone back on the bus. Trace, track, trace, track, trace, track, trace, stop and search, safe and sound, relax. Big Brother's got our backs. Can't get lost, always found. 21st century road trip, oh say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Next stop, Disneyland. 21st century road trip ain't like grand. Shh, speak uneasy. I'm just saying, it's the bomb, dynamite. Punch, drunk, spun around, crazy as a loon. Head over heels, turning somersaults, making out with the moon. I am in love with you, haunted by you, longing for you, sweet embraceable, epic queen. Your soul, the essence of the whole world. Way down yonder in New Orleans. In a mere spring fling, peeped only a peak, barely scratched the surface of your seductive charms. Yet I am enchanted. You give me fever, 'cause I'm hooked on you, baby. Fallen under your spell and land of dreams, the paranormal normal. You do that, voodoo that, you do so well. Divine madness, sacred and profane, the Big Easy. Your reputation precedes. Excess at its worst and its best, I must return to you. A tangible need to discover your secrets hidden in broad daylight. It would take a lifetime to know you, a lifetime I do not possess. Nor can I do you justice in this bare bones, paltry excuse of a love poem. And the big finish here, with a piece that I wrote a dang long time ago. And gosh, it's embarrassing how long ago I wrote this thing. But like I like to say, it's still, as the old cliche goes, fresh as a daisy. Has the world economy collapsed yet? Have the rents gone down in San Francisco? Is the bubble still floating? Another day, another devalued dollar. God damn, it's all about the money. Old money, new money, easy money, hard-earned money, tech money, drug money, funny money, other people's money, fuck you money, corporate money, bailout money, laundered money, blood money. Making a killing, follow the money, laughing and crying all the way to the bank. A penny saved is a penny earned. Spare change, spare change. Spending money like a drunken sailor. Money to burn. When it rains, you know it rains. Pennies from heaven. You can't take it with you. Filing for Chapter 11. Money can't buy love. Money can't buy happiness. Loot's the root. You better believe it. Shit. It's all a crapshoot. Queer as a $3 bill, you have been written out of the will. Money is no object. Bitcoin. The moon belongs to everyone. The best things in life are free. Want to bet? It's a lottery dream. The do-re-mi, a Ponzi scheme. A mark, a buck, a yen, or pound is all that makes the world go round. Makes the world go round. All about the green baby. Money doesn't grow on trees. No money down, big bucks living large, paid through the nose on Easy Street. Throwing good money after bad odds, nothing but chump change. You get what you pay for, the money shot. You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down. Saving for a rainy day, living beyond your means, fixed income, making ends meet, breaking even, coming up short, turning a profit, get rich scheme in the black, in the red, time is money, loads of insurance, and you're worth more dead. Poor as a church mouse, headed for the poorhouse. Cold, hard cash on the barrelhead. Easy come, easy go. Yeah, he's loaded, rolling in dough. The pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You want to go out and have some fun, you got to spend some cash. And let the good times roll. Take the money and run. Show me the money. Bad credit, no problem. Double your money, robbing Peter to pay Paul. Winner takes all, in God we trust. The Midas touch. Spendthrift, penny pincher, tightwad, cheapskate, money grubber, fat cat, trust fund, baby, filthy rich bitch. Love for sale, advertising, young love for sale. Who's prepared to pay the price for a trip to paradise? Oh, it's sweet young love for sale. It's tax deductible. A fool and his money are soon parted. Money crisis. Brother, can you spare a dime? I'm down on my luck. Financially embarrassed. Broke as fuck. It takes money to make money. You look like $1 million. Make quick money at home, at your kitchen table, in your underwear. Buy now, pay later, shake your money maker, only $99.99, ka-ching, nickel and dimed. Hey, big spender, spend a little time with me. Ka-ching, ka-ching, debt ceiling, right on the money. Money makes the world go round. That clinking, clanking sound makes the world go round, go round. Greed breeds the need for more money, more money, more money. Ka-ching, bling, bling, cash is king. Put your money where your mouth is. Money talks, bullshit walks, paid in full. A penny for your thoughts. And the almighty buck stops nowhere. Pay the rent. Pay the bills, there's gold in them nar hills, hitting pay dirt, losing your shirt. The high cost of living and life is cheap. Right on the money. War, death, and taxes. Nothing but dead presidents. And remember, darling, it's only money. And there you go. I think I'll just finish up. I guess I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Thank you.